Hello everyone, welcome back to Droid Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix Apple Watch Ultra is not connecting to the iPhone. So this can be of many reasons, so just cross-check the simple steps. The first one is all about you have to make sure that the Apple Watch Ultra is actually paired or not. We can check this. So after checking this, if you have any doubt, you have to go over here. And right now there is a button over here. You can see this particular phone button, like it looks like an iPhone. So just tap on this particular one. So when you tap on this, you will be hearing a noise on the iPhone, which means it is paired. So you have to cross-check whether it is possible to cross-check from here, or you have to parallelly make sure the Wi-Fi is connected. If you're on the cellular, it has to be turned on, or else you have to make sure the Wi-Fi is turned on as well, and it is all paired with it. After this, if it's not working, we have to try with two more steps, and one among them is you have to do a reboot on your Apple Watch Ultra. For doing a reboot, you just have to do like this. There is a power button over here. You can press and hold this power button over here. So you'll be getting these options, and right now you can see there is a power icon at the top. So you have to tap over here, and right now we have an option to power off. You can slide from here, and once you slide from here, it will be completely turned off. Once you're done with this one, you have to go back, and how you have to press this particular button and you have to turn it off, and after rebooting, which means it will be like a fresh start, and you have to check whether you are able to pair up with the iPhone or not. Even after trying this, if it's not working, the last and the least step is all about you can completely do a reset on your Apple Watch Ultra. For this, you have to press on this particular gear icon. Now from here you have to navigate to settings over here in the settings. Now from here in the settings, just go to the general. From here, keep scrolling down and navigate to reset. Now from here there are two options: erase all and erase home screen layout. Go for this one and go for erase all. Keep in mind, you will be losing all the media, data and all the settings which is related to this. Once you're done with this particular one, most probably the issue regarding this has to be fixed. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.